He left a note.
He left a note.
And what did it say?
It said,
It said, "Dear Abby, what?"
Thank you for the cookies and milk. I left one for you.
Oh, wow. Well, that was cool. Unbelievable.
Oh, you got that?
Ooh,
It's hanging over the side.
Look at that. Can't
Poke
about
it
that
in
one.
there.
that's a good problem to have.
Oh, there goes some.
Probably dressing.
Sorry.
That's all right. Go, hey,
Ain't nothing I could do.
we could pull it. There you go. You got it.
Look at that. My goodness, that stuff was good.
That all goes in
Oh,
the gravy.
gravy, right?
Okay.
Okay, look at there. Hold on.
What is the secret to the gravy?
The secret to the gravy is cooking the giblets first. Once they're all cooked, chop them up fine. Then you don't thicken it until after you pour all of the juices from the turkey pan into the pot. And then you add your cornstarch and water, but it has to be hot, but not boiling, otherwise it'll flunk. And that's how you thicken it. And then you're done. And add salt and pepper if you need it.